Hi guys, my name is Olivia Mendoza, and today I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm talking about my major career plans and ideas. So I am currently interested in going into pretrial services. Pretrial services programs are procedures in the United States to prepare cases for trial in the court. So basically, they collect and analyze defendant information for use in determining risk, to make recommendations to the court concerning conditions of release, and then ultimately they supervise those defendants who are released from custody during the pretrial phase. So I'm basically interested in going into that field of the criminal justice and being able to help people the best I can while they are being supervised in federal cases. So for pretrial services, they really only require a minimum of a bachelor's degree, and majors can vary depending on what kind of experience they might be looking for. So I'm currently studying psychology, but they also do take people who have had experience within social work, even sociology, and criminal justice degrees as well. Just basically a degree that could fit with the job, and also depending on that person's work experience and what their interests are, could qualify you for the job. So in relation to my four-year plan, this career relates to my four-year plan as I hope to get a job at Pretrial Services Agency as an officer post-graduation. And that plan sort of came about within the past 2 years that I decided that this was the field I wanted to go into. And so basically within the next 4 years, that's kind of revolving around me getting a job there. And if that doesn't work out, however, I do plan to go to grad school, and then maybe wait out some time to see if I can get into the field still. And so then these are my pictures. I thought I'd include two. There's a fun one of me with a wig on, and then me in front of the pyramids in Egypt. And like I said, my name is Olivia Mendoza. Why am I majoring in psychology? I am majoring in psychology because I like learning about human behavior and how by learning about it, I can help people. That is my big goal. And the reason I'm also interested in the field I am is because I want to be able to help people and to overcome circumstances and also to understand why their certain behaviors are the way that they are. So then comparing the reasons listed in chapter 13, I kind of just looked over the questions that they had listed, like if I was interested in certain things, and that's why I am going to psychology major. So I like to study the mental processes that help us acquire and remember information so we can improve our everyday memory. I like to help people with behavioral disorders to help them to achieve a better quality of life, and I would like to work with communities and neighborhoods to help them plan for the future. And finally, I would like to better understand why people behave differently in a group compared to how they behave when alone, and why personal decisions are affected by the surrounding context. So that is it, and that's me. And those are the reasons why I'm very interested in this field and I'm interested in psychology.